Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today I would like to ask you to join me playing a game with Instagram application. Now you just need to increase the performance of your Instagram account by creating the context or the content that has the interactive fill on this content. So you only need to open your Instagram application. Now just need to swipe into the Instagram story camera, and then you just need to add the picture that you want to use as the background. I would like to use the cat right there. Now if you want to create a game or quiz, you just need to take a look on this top side right here. Just tap into this emoji sections, and then you just need to tap into the quiz. So here you just need to prepare the questions. You can also use the questions that already provided by the Instagram itself. You can like shuffle it by tap into it, and the question could be displayed. You can see there will be like a lot of questions right here. Now you just need to prepare the option. You can prepare the option for the correct answer and give or fill the rest of the option for the wrong answer. Let's say here, what's my biggest fear? You can say here a cat, and then you can also get ignore, and then you just need to add the other one. Let's say here is C, and right after that pick the correct answer, and then you just need to go click done. Now you just need to place this question or quiz into this specific area that you want to place them. Make sure that easy to be tapped or read by the persons or your follower, and right after you're done, and just tap your story, and you got this game. You just need to wait until your follower answer it. So whenever the answer is correct, they will be like have this quite a look, and you're done. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. So let's meet again into other tutorial.